Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can check contacts on Gmail. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Settings app on your mobile device and you will see a bunch of options on this page. Now scroll down a little bit and tap on the Contacts app tile. If you can't find it, you can always search for it in the search bar. Now tap on Accounts at the top and select Gmail. After that, make sure that the Contacts feature is toggled on. Simply, this feature will help in syncing your Google Contacts onto your device. Now, close the Settings app and open Contacts. Here, tap on the Groups embed at top left corner of the screen and then uncheck iPhone in order to access all of your Gmail contacts. You can also access these contacts from your browser. In order to do that, close the Contacts app and open any type of preferred browser. Now, search for contacts.google.com and you will be asked to sign into your Google account. After signing in, you will be able to access all of your Gmail contacts. So that's basically how you can check contacts on Gmail. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.